Now look here, how do you prepare your say practical assignments on a drawing sheet? So in fact we were not sure whether there will be any journals we have to make or not or what, but what we can do is maybe we will do something so that in case suppose for some reason, by some way, by some chance, if the college reopens and we have to submit everything in the journal form, then probably it could be easy for us to do that. So let me tell you the size of the paper which you can take. So what you do is you take your, let's say, half imperial paper is larger than this. This is half imperial. So from this you cut this, you remove. So take half imperial paper, drawing paper, then cut a rectangle of size 46 by 34. Then you have to fold it from here, and then maybe you can punch it from here if required. So that space you keep here as for punching purpose if we have to go for punching. Then what you do is you have to here you have to draw. I'm just first telling you the problem on polygon method, velocity polygon method. So here you can draw the linkage diagram. Maybe here could be data, find, etc. And then from here you draw velocity polygon, this part. Then you start right up from here. Right up corresponding to the velocity polygon, you start from here. On this side you keep this upper space for acceleration polygon, which we have to learn. We have not yet started that. But on this problem, acceleration polygon we can draw from here. Then the remaining part you divide again, and then you can write your, this you can continue, again you can continue. Suppose it ends here. Then from here you can start writing about the acceleration analysis. So whatever are the steps for acceleration analysis, those things you can start from here. And then when you go on the back side of this half side, back side of this half is still there. So that you can again divide into two parts. So I'll show you here. So we have gone on the back side. So this is the back side. So on the back side you can again continue like this. So acceleration analysis start from here, wherever it is ending, then go on the back side and write like this. And on this side, which is the front side, so when you fold it like this, the side which is behind this becomes the first front side. So front, then you open, then it is this, and when you close it, this back side is this side. So on the front of this here, behind of this, you have to write practical number, whatever is the practical number, and then the problem number. 1, 2, 3, whatever. So you will have one drawing sheet of this size for one problem. Okay, so accordingly maybe you will have to purchase some such drawing sheets and prepare them like this, and that will be your exercise which is coming under the practicals. So this you do for the velocity polygon, acceleration polygon and velocity polygon. I'll repeat: linkage diagram, data, velocity polygon, right up of velocity, then acceleration polygon, right up of acceleration polygon, go to the back side and continue right up for acceleration polygon like this. And behind this, that is the front side, you write the practical number, problem number, and most importantly your name and roll number. So this information you will write on this side. What I want you to also do is, everywhere, since you are submitting it as photos, everywhere, say like this page, here, back side here you have to write your roll number, and this is by pen. You have to write your roll number by pen at this place. So on all the pages of all the assignments, all the practicals, everywhere, each page, on each page somewhere, maybe in the right corner or here, wherever, in a small box, you are supposed to write your roll number in pen, in ink. Okay, keep this in mind. So that is for your practical on velocity polygon method. Now I'll show you how to draw for the IC method. So till that you just note this down. Okay, so for polygon, for IC method, let us see what we do. So again, take the same size, 34 by 46. Again, divide like this, punch holes here, and then you can say draw the linkage diagram here, slightly below, so that you will have ample space around. Somewhere here you can write the data. Maybe you can write the data here also. Then you draw the Kennedy circle, and whatever the steps which you require for Kennedy circle, you can fit it here, and then the actual write-up, the calculations part, you can do here. And on the back side, like last time, name, roll number, and your practical number and problem number. Name, roll number, practical number, problem number on this side. This back side may be blank because this write-up doesn't extend up to that. So again, one page for one problem for the IC method. So this whatever I have shown was for IC method. You can follow same pattern even for balancing if you are not done still. So on the back side, write up the titles, and then the work is here. If you already done it, don't change, let it be like this only, whatever you have done already. From now onwards, whatever is to be done, that you follow this method, especially for the polygon method and for the IC method, etc. Okay, so just make a note of this.